Good day, guys. Today I'll be talking on some factors that can affect men sperm quality. But before then, I would like to say this. In our society today, once there's a problem of infertility among couples, the first partner we blame is the woman's side. Like she's the only one that can cause this infertility. I mean, she's the only one at fault. We don't care to check the men's side whether they have the problem or not. So it's very wrong, to query or to blame a woman once there's a problem of infertility among the couples, unless proven otherwise. Both sides can have a problem. The man can have a problem, the woman can have a problem. So, but you cannot know who have the problem until you go to the medical checkup and find out what is the possible causes of this infertility among them. So please and please stop blaming the woman first. Try to find out who among them have the problem. In fact, sometimes we think the woman have had a lot of abortion, that is why she cannot able to conceive. This is very wrong. We need to find out the primary causes first before you can blame issues the one or the man. Now let us go straight to the some factors that can affect the sperm quality. One, we have radiation. Too much exposure of radiation, can affect the sperm quality, and also if continue can also affect the sperm productions. Especially those people who are working in the X-ray department. Though your phone also contains some radiation, that is why it's also advisable to not put it in the front pocket always, because too much of it that also can affect some of the sperm production also, or the qualities. Two, we have certain drugs. There are some certain drugs that can affect the sperm quality or even production, like cancer drugs. The chemotherapy also affects some of the sacs, and some antibiotics. Now too much, and another one is too much consumption of alcohol, which can also affect the testosterone. Is an hormone that is responsible for this production. So once this is affects, definitely there will be a low sperm quality or sperm count. And also smoking. Those people who are smoking, there's this toxin in the cigarette that can affect the sperm sacs. We can also affect the sperm production. We have injury to the testes. That two things like balls on the penis is called testes. These things can also happen injury sometimes, and once they are injured, they can also be tampered with the sperm production. Now we have wearing of tight underwear. Yes, men, please stop wearing any tight things under there, because when you do that, you change the temperature of the testes, which is not good for that testes. Testes need exposure. You need a ventilation, no ventilation. That is why we advise to not wear a tight underwear, because doing so can also affect the sperm production. We also have surgery. Some surgery complications. Some surgery can also affect the sperm production. So these are some of these factors that can affect sperm quality. And once the quality is very low, the count is low, the quality is low, there's a lot of parameter to check to make sure the sperm is enough to impregnate a woman. So you see, it cannot, sometimes it can be from the woman agreed, but sometimes it can also be from the man. So we should not always be blaming the woman alone. We should try to find out what are the causes. Is it the man or is the man, so that we can able to rectify the problem. So thank you very much, and I hope you understand the message I'm trying to pass. Issue of infertility can come from both sides. It's not only the man, it can be the man, it can be the woman. So thank you very much for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you. Bye.